Hi, my name is Kaz. I'm the sole developer of Hallet Co. Basically, OST allows any company to mint their own branded tokens. Hallet Co is trying to provide use cases for these branded tokens, one of them being using the tokens to tackle the counterfeit industry and helping businesses by preventing counterfeit products from entering their supply chain. But how do we do this though? Basically, every product that the company makes is given a wallet address, and the company then deposits their branded tokens into each product's wallet. Thus, customers are able to authenticate the product's originality because of the company's token that's stored in the product. Next, we move on to token actions. Token actions describe the event that occurs at the time of transaction. An example would be the time and location of where something was made, or when a product is shipped from point A to point B. Basically, any event that holds any significance. Now, let's go to the UI. One second. Okay, so on your left, you see the products list. It's the data that's stored in the database for when we get it from API calls. On your right, you have three columns. First one displays product details, token action, how we make the product, and how we add tokens to the product. The products list has icons. It's when you click on it, it displays the transaction ID, the transaction and the ID of the product itself. That is the user ID. In this case, we're presenting a fish that's going to be sold. So the species is the comment. And then the transaction ID, the first one is when the fish was spawned. The second one displays when it was harvested. So let's make an example ourselves. Okay, let's make this product UI product 404. And then let's add the species of the product. I'll call it Atlantic cereal. Okay. Okay, let's make the call. Let's move on to the backend server. As you can see, the name of the product and the ID. Now, let's go to the token actions. Token actions represent events, but in this case, we'll be only using two. That is spawn fish and fish extraction, showing when the fish was spawned and when it's going to be harvested. Okay, so let's copy that and then, yeah, this is spawn fish. Let's add a date. We'll use July 2018. My bad, June. And then the location will be USA. Okay. Now, this list has, what's the ID of it? Okay. Now, the list shows all the UUIDs. We'll click the last one because it's the most recent one. Then let's go out to the server. As you can see, the transaction ID and to whom it was made to. Now let's do the second transaction, that is fish extraction, that represents when the fish was harvested. Let's copy that, paste. Let's change the date. Oh, okay. Let's change the date to June 2020 to 2020. Okay. And then the comment has to be changed to fish extraction again. And the ID is the same. Okay, so let's post that. Okay, successful. Now let's recall what we just made, the product. That now you can see the species, the name of the product, the ID of the product, and also when it was spawned and when it was harvested at location and date. And I guess that's all.